morning everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to factorize a cubic expression. So my topic is factorization. Let's factorize the following polynomials: x cubed minus 3x plus 2. So you see that it is a cubic expression because the highest degree of x is 3. So in this type of expression we have to take the value of x, that number, so that the whole equation becomes 0. So let's say this is the given expression, x cubed minus 3x plus 2. I'm taking x equals to 1. After putting the value of x, we get 1 cube in minus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 cube is equals to 1. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1 equals to 1. Minus 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3 plus 2. Now we have to add 1 and 2, we get 3. And this minus 3. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So we see that this whole equation becomes 0 when we put the value of x equals to 1. Therefore, x minus 1 is the factor of the polynomial. Now we have to divide this given expression by x minus 1. Let's divide. Now x into x square, we get x cube. We have to write x cube below x cube. Now we have to multiply this minus 1 and x square. We get minus x square. I'm writing minus x square here because in this expression there is no x square. So I'm writing this x square minus x square here. Now we have to change the sign. So after subtraction, x cube minus x cube becomes 0. We don't have to write x cube now. Now we have to take this x square here and this 3x down here, minus 3x. Now when we multiply x with x, we get x square, and minus 1 with x, we get minus x. We have to write minus x below 3x. Change the sign. After subtraction, we get x square from x square, we get 0. 3 is minus and x is plus, so we get minus 2x. 3 is greater than 1x, so minus 2x, and we have to take this 2 down here. Now when we multiply x with this minus 2, we get minus 2x, and 1 with minus 2, minus 1 with minus 2, we get plus 2. 1 2 is 2. Change the sign. The remainder will be 0. 2x minus 2x is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore, we can write given expression, that is x cube minus 3x plus 2 is equals to x minus 1 into x square plus x minus 2. X cube minus 3x plus 2 is equals to x minus 1 into x square plus x minus 2. So in this way we can factorize the cubic expression. Let's take another example. A cube minus 12a minus 16. We have to make this expression equals to 0. So when we put a equals to 1, the equation does not become 0. So when we take minus 1, the result will be the same. When we take 2, the value of a equals to 2, the expression does not become 0. So I'm taking a equals to -2. Putting the value equals to a equals to -2, we get -2 cube, -12 into -2, -16. Now 2 cube means -2 cube means is equals to -2 into -2 into -2. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So we get -8. So this -8, 2 cube is equals to -8. Now -12 into -2, minus minus plus, 12 to the 24, -16. Now we have to add -8 and -16. We get -24 and this plus 24. When we subtract 24 from 24, we get 0. So we see that when we put a equals to -2, the whole equation becomes 0. Therefore a plus 2 will be the factor of the polynomial. Now we have to divide a cube minus 12a minus 16 by a plus 2. Let's divide. Now a into a square, we get a cube. We have to multiply these 2 and a square, we get 2a square. Subtraction, change the sign. A cube minus a cube equals to 0. We don't have to write a cube. Then minus 2a square. The sign of 2a is minus 2a square. We have to take this down. Minus 12a. So when we multiply a with minus 2a, we get 2a square. Minus 2a square. We have to multiply this 2 with minus 2a, we get minus 4a. Subtraction, change the sign. So when we subtract 2a square from 2a square, it becomes 0. 12a minus 4a, we get minus 8a. Here the sign is minus because 12 is greater than 4. And the sign of 12 is minus, the sign of 4 is plus. So minus 8a. Now a into minus 8, we get minus 8a. And 2 into 8 plus 2 into minus 8, we get minus 16. Subtraction, change the sign. So 8a minus 8a becomes 0. 16 minus 16 becomes 0. Therefore the remainder will be 0. Therefore we can write the given expression. A cube minus 12a minus 16 is equals to a plus 2 into a square minus 2a minus 8. Here. So it is a quadratic equation. You see that a square minus 2a minus 8 is a cubic expression. We have to factorize this. Middle term factorization, which we have learned in class 8. Now a plus 2 remains the same. 4 to the 8. 4 minus 2 is 2a. This a plus 2 remains the same. We have to take common from this a square and a. 4a is a, so bracket open, here remains a and here 4, and common 1 from this to a and 8 is 2. A remains here and 2 4s are 8. This is equals to a plus 2 remains the same. We have to write a minus 4 once and a plus 2. So here you see that a plus 2 appears 2 times. So we can write that a plus 2 whole square into a minus 4. So this is the factors of the given expression. So in this way we can solve a cubic expression. So in the next video I'll try to show you more sums of this type. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.